So now you might be relating my previous lecture where I said that it is important to understand geological time scale. Hello friends, my name is Dr. Uma Hassan and we are continuing our series on lectures on primatology. So let's have a discussion. First of all, we should know what is primates, right? So if we'll define primates, we can see this, that primates belongs to mammals category. And that is why it's very important for us to know about mammals, right? And in my previous lecture, we have discussed about geological time scale, that how it is a system of organizing the earth history into natural eras, periods and epochs. So you can refer to my previous lectures on that. So this is very important for us to understand the point with respect to geological time scale, right? And then we need to know more on mammals. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss about mammals. So when we have understood that it is mammalian evolution that is primarily important for us to understand primates. So let's see how they evolved from reptiles. For that, we need to know geological changes in history and the definition of vertebrates and mammals. So what is happening? Generally, aspirants preparing for anthropology, they think that anthropology is more about science, and some aspirants think that it is more about social science. However, we do have one important topic, that is 1.5 and 1.6, in which we are understanding primates with respect to human evolution. Okay, so it's neither natural sciences nor it's social sciences. In order to achieve good marks, we must have good clarity, crystal clear clarity on the concepts like what are primates, what are the definition of primates. If you know and if you have seen the syllabus, it says characteristics of primates. So we know that, okay, primate is one of the categories in which we have divided living organism, but this primate is basically, we should know with respect to mammals. So vertebrates, mammalians, how vertebrates turn into mammals, it is important to know. Okay, so these all are, you can say, different type of mammals. Now, to have deeper understanding, you must be knowing vertebrate evolution. So this vertebrate evolution occurred from Paleozoic to Cenozoic. So now you might be relating my previous lecture where I said that it is important to understand geological time scale. Now in geological time scale, you can revise if you don't remember, Paleozoic to Cenozoic era is important for us. So if a question is coming to you on primates, on fossil evidences, you can rightly refer to this zone, Paleozoic to Cenozoic, right? So the earliest vertebrate fossils date to early Paleozoic at 500 million years ago, and bones found only after 500 million years ago. So this period is important for us, right? Paleozoic. Now, during the Paleozoic, several varieties of fishes, amphibians and reptiles appeared. Okay, so Paleozoic period में क्या हुआ, आपके varieties of vertebrates like fishes, amphibians and reptiles appeared. ये point याद रखना है. And in late Paleozoic, about 250 million years ago, several mammal-like reptiles, not mammals. तो mammals एक टाइम से एकदम से नहीं आ गए, appear नहीं हो गए. So mammals-like reptiles. तो इसको हमको समझना है. This point. So Paleozoic period में आपके पास several varieties थी, fishes की, amphibians की. फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ? Late Paleozoic, 250 million years ago, mammal-like reptiles have given rise to the mammals. ठीक है, ये पॉइंट याद करेंगे. Now, this is what our world is, right? So the evolutionary history of vertebrates, क्योंकि mammals को समझना है, समझ रहे हैं primates को समझने के लिए mammals समझ रहे हैं, mammals को समझने के लिए vertebrates समझ रहे हैं. ओके, सो ये सारा एक जियोलॉजिकली बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स हैं ताकि आपको पता चले कि कौन से लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म कौन से पीरियड में आया हुआ है, राइट. सो द एवोल्यूशनरी हिस्ट्री ऑफ वर्टिब्रेट्स वाज इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय ज्योग्राफिकल इवेंट्स. अब बच्चे ये सारे पॉइंट्स कभी नहीं लिखते हैं और आपको पता है आप यूपीएससी की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, आपके पास यूनिक पॉइंट्स होना चाहिए. तो ज्योग्राफिकल इवेंट्स प्रोसेस लाइक कॉन्टिनेंट ड्रिफ्ट, राइट. सो दिस इज द कॉन्टिनेंटल ड्रिफ्ट. सो कॉन्टिनेंटल ड्रिफ्ट is explained by the geological theory of plate tectonics, which states that the Earth's crust is a series of gigantic moving and colliding plates. तो ये आपका आप देख सकते हैं ये सारे plates हैं. Okay, so this is how you can see. So including volcanic activity. So Mesozoic period now 125 million years ago, breaking up into the northern Laurasia and southern गोंडवाना लैंड. तो ये आपका गोंडवाना लैंड हो गया, ये आपका लॉरेसिया हो गया. ओके, कब? मेसोजोइक पीरियड. सो कॉन्टिनेंट्स इन अर्ली सेनोजोइक 65 मिलियन ईयर्स अगो. यहाँ पे हमारे पास कॉन्टिनेंट्स आ गए. ओके, तो इस तरीके के आप कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स अपने आंसर्स में मेंशन करेंगे, राइट. यू कैन शो योर मेसोजोइक पीरियड 125 मिलियन ईयर्स अगो क्या हुआ. ओके, breaking up into the northern Laurasia and all this point, ये सारे point creativity को show करता है. So now, because of continental drift, due to continental drift, group of animals became effectively isolated from each other by oceans. So यहाँ के animals यहाँ पे रह गए, यहाँ के animals यहाँ रह गए, इंडिया के यहाँ, अंटार्कटिका के यहाँ, ऑस्ट्रेलिया के यहाँ. So significantly influencing the evolution and distribution of mammals and other vertebrates. So these continental movements continued in the Cenozoic and indeed are still happening although without dramatic results. Okay, so आज हमने क्या समझा है? आज हमने समझा है कि ठीक है, mammals like reptiles appeared. तो पैलेजोइक पीरियड, ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद 250 मिलियन ईयर्स अगो लेट पैलेजोइक पीरियड में क्या हुआ, ठीक है. सो कॉन्टिनेंटल ड्रिफ्ट जो हुआ ये आपके लिए एक इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर रहता है इन रिस्पॉन्स टू अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट प्राइमेट्स एवोल्यूशन. सो वर्टिब्रेट्स को समझ रहे हैं. ओके, अब यहाँ पे हम इसलिए कॉन्टिनेंटल ड्रिफ्ट थ्योरी लेके आएंगे ताकि वी कैन understand primatology in a deeper and effective manner. और बहुत ज़्यादा efforts नहीं लगाना, smart approach use करना है, right? So we have to use smart approach. We have discussed geological time scale. We have discussed that okay, continental drift के वजह से क्या हुआ, सारे यहाँ पे जितने भी जो animals थे वो effectively isolated हो गए. So आज के लिए हम यही discuss करेंगे that how primatology to understand, we need to understand continental drift theory as well. Thank you.